Sorry for the interruption. Got the stock ESC. Yeah, the other one, I'm not sure what happened to it, but it smoked. And so luckily it was under warranty, and no questions asked, it sent me a new one, so I'm looking forward to that. Kind of been fiddling with the SCX24 with another ESC they had laying around, but it's kind of been intermittent. It might be a motor connection or something. So this has been working out pretty good. I'm looking forward to installing a new one, hopefully like a Castle Sidewinder Micro 2 for brushed and brushless in the future, but this will work. Alright, on to the next one. Accidentally, without really thinking of everything, just opened it up because I was excited. So Amazon Prime Day, I ordered another soldering kit. I'll probably give this to a friend. But I got this for $8 on Amazon Prime, and let's open it up. It's the whole kit, and it's just a adjustable soldering iron, and with a pouch and a desoldering pump and basically everything you need to get going with soldering small electronics. Got electrical tape, got a bunch of different size heat shrinks, got a little booklet, got the iron itself. It's got a little adjustable knob right here, some wire. Oh, it's not a camera. Black and red wire, solder, desoldering pump, wire strippers. Looks like static proof with tweezers, stand, a sponge, and some replacement tips. So I don't have a desoldering pump or these tweezers yet. I have everything else. So I have I think soldering pump coming from AliExpress, just like this one. So I'll probably give this to the whole thing to my friend. He doesn't have a soldering iron yet, but he's been working with Arduino and some other stuff. So I think he was looking in the market for a soldering iron. So for $8, really can't beat it. I also ordered a 25 kg servo. I think I got it for like $20 Amazon Prime Day. I know I probably only knocked off like $3. I kind of don't kick myself for ordering this. You know, with the crawlers and stuff, every once in a while the servo poops out, so it'd be nice to have another one on hand. But I forgot to really do price comparison on I think they had a 35 kg servo on there. I think probably only $3 difference from the actual sale price, but it'll be good to have on hand for my slash or crawler when servo issues arise, just to have one on hand. So alright, on to the next one. Alright, I believe this is another thing I ordered on Amazon Prime Day. Yep, that is it. So, ordered another, you can see that, it is a Radiolink receiver. It's the 6-channel with gyro. I have one that I have installed right now on my SCX24, and then I wanted also another one for my element crawler, so I can pair them to the same controller, and because I can put in different models into the controller, I can use the same controller for both crawlers. And I put my Dumbo RC receiver with gyro in my drift car, and that's been working out better, just because it's has analog controls instead of all the digital settings. So I'm able to, it's easy for me, it's easier to tweak with the controls and getting things dialed in. So thanks for watching, and have a good one.